Hello viewer, welcome to my new video. Today I am introducing Samsung Galaxy Buds Live, true wireless earbuds with active noise cancelling. With wireless charging case included. Sound that rocks. The AKG tuned 12mm speaker and enhanced bass tone play everything in studio quality sound. An open design creates a live listening environment, suiting those who prefer a natural, spacious sound. New style and new sound. Equal parts earbuds and ear bling. Galaxy Buds Live come in 3 colors you'll want to rock all day. Turn down distractions. Turn on active noise cancellation to block out background noise on an airplane, train, or bus. Tap again to let in surrounding live sounds, colleagues' voices, flight announcements, street traffic while still enjoying your favorite playlist or podcast. Long-lasting battery. Long-lasting battery life with a case that doubles as a wireless charger. Always-on assistance. Use your always-on music hands-free. Features including active noise cancelling are enabled through Bluetooth connection or the Galaxy Wearable app on Android, available through Google Play Store, and the Galaxy Buds app on iOS devices, available through the App Store. Get your Galaxy Buds Live on Amazon, links to the video description. Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus Plus, true wireless earbuds. Exactly what you want to hear. Galaxy Buds Plus are the perfect fitting earbuds to isolate you from distracting noises, so you can stay focused on what you want. And if you'd like to filter in some of the outside world to be more in tune with your surroundings, you can switch on ambient aware too. Hear flight announcements, oncoming traffic, or your order number while still enjoying your favorite playlist or podcast. 22 hours of serious sound. Get up to 11 hours of non-stop music on a single charge, then pop your Galaxy Buds Plus in the wireless charging case and get nearly 11 more. Forgot to charge them the night before? No worries. 3 minutes of charging gives you 1 hour of playtime, so you have enough juice for your commute or workout. Your voice, loud and clear. Ensure you are heard clearly. A dedicated internal and 2 external microphones pick up your voice and isolate it from outside noises confidently, even in noisy locations. Android iOS compatible. Pair with smart devices via Bluetooth. Use the Galaxy Wearable app on Android and Galaxy Buds Plus app on iOS to make the most of your earphones. Included components: 3-size ear gel. Get your Galaxy Buds Plus Live on Amazon, links to the video description. Thanks for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future. And if you have any questions related to the products we listed here, leave a comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can.